Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we're finally going to be planting indoors. So, stuff that you will need first, of course, you're going to need your tray, and this is everything that we're going to be planting. And you need something to cover it with. It's right there. And you need a heat mat, of course, your soil, and a light. Because remember, these are going to be indoors, so they need a light to act as like sunlight. We got our seeds that we're gonna plant our tray. So this is stuff that like you can plant indoors, like tomatoes, watermelon, squash, and stuff that you can plant outdoors is stuff maybe like peas, carrots, radishes, stuff like that. But today we're going to be focusing stuff that can grow indoors that need warmer weather. So we got our summer squash, and if you remember from last year, womp womp, it didn't really turn out that good. But so last year our squash went out like that, but this squash it goes up. So hopefully we're gonna have a better chance with this. Then we have these two new watermelons, Baby Doll watermelon and Tom F1 watermelon. So these are new. Hope they go well. And then, ooh, my favorite, we got a banana split. Just kidding, guys. It's just a melon. It's not a banana split. But it would be cool if I could literally grow a banana split. Like, yummy. Then we got this palm tree looking kale. For a sec, I actually thought it was a palm tree, and I was like, I like palm trees. And I was like, oh, it's kale. It says big, like it's literally as big as a child. Can I get it as big as me? That's what I want to try. And everybody knows I've been waiting to get and try orange peppers. Yeah, so we got some orange peppers. And in case you didn't know, they are peppers that are orange. Okay, so anyways, then got these two cool tomatoes. This is called Rebel Starfighter Prime, and Brad's atomic grape, whatever that says. But my dad is most excited for this one because like Rebel Starfighter, or maybe like Luke Skywalker. I don't know. Yo, that's what he said. Then we got our homemade soil, and you can tell it's really loose. I'm just gonna put it on screen. It's right there. Okay, so let me show you how you fill these things up. Well, first of all, I really like these trays because they're some nice hard plastic. Ow. And I also just like the shape. Instead of like pulling each one out, like when they're ready, you can just bing, then bam. Because it has these really big holes. So back to stop filling them up. So you're just going to take this and put it in like that. Then just start just scooping it up. You can flip it if you need to get the bottle again. Okay. First, we gotta usually crack it down a bit, not too hard. Yeah, you see, like some of these are like no dirt at all. So you're supposed to do that, and then refill it. So that's just helping you get more dirt. And we want more dirt because we want it to be nice and firm. So there we go. If the seeds are like pretty big, kind of like these, you want it a bit deeper than like one of the small seeds. Put one there. Put one, two, put one, two. And there we go. And now this is the Tom F1. And again, we're going to put two in each. So this one, oh, oopsies. One, two. And then one, two. Two. There you go. Now we're just going to do that exact same thing for all of them. So this is will make you light, something like that. And just like how smooth it is and how it just glides through. The reason we use this is because like this normal dirt can dry out and it can get crusty, but this can't, because these little seedlings can just easily move through them. So that's why we're gonna be just taking this and sprinkling them on here. That's better. So let's start. It's gonna look something like that. And guys, now we water it. Now you just take it, that's fun, and then put it on your heat mat. And this is going to be our humidity dome until they sprout, and then we're gonna give them a light. Easy peasy lemon squeezy that anyone can start seeds at home, even me. And I'm only 8. Keep an eye out for more videos and like and subscribe. Bye!